questions. These are 4 questions. So I think 4 minutes would be enough. Zach, can you send me what are the chapters that is there in your half-yearly syllabus?
Sure.
Similarly, Hanifa and Rifat, both of you guys also, if you have got the syllabus for half-yearly exam, if you have got the dates, please share it with me right now.
Sir, for me, I think it's 2nd October. We have a...
I can't hear you. Wait, Hanifa. I can't hear you at all. Yes, Hanifa, tell me now.
From 2nd October, we have exams which are out of 20 marks and we have 2 chapters for it.
Okay, fine. So whatever it is, please, can you write it in chat and send me? Because I can't remember what I mean. If everyone will start telling me now that I have this date, my mind cannot remember that, right? For everyone. So write it out. So I will have a list like kiska kab exam hai. Very good, Hanifa. What? Okay. And same, Zan, send what are the chapters that are in your unit, I mean, half yearly. Okay. And Rifat, what about you? Any exam that is nearby?
Sir, we aren't informed dates properly, but they said our unit test will be on October.
Which school are you? I mean, you and Hanifa are in same school or what?
I'm in ISD.
You're in ISD. Hanifa, what about you?
I am in ISD, sir.
You're in ISD?
Yes.
Okay, so fine. आप school नहीं जा रही हैं क्या, Rifat? So you guys have alcohol, phenols, and electrochemistry. Nice. So right now they are teach. School start हुआ आपका, Hanifa?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so they are teaching what? Electrochemistry.
Yeah.
So, Zad, when is your exam?
So it's starting from 22.
And why are you like? How many chapters are done in your school out of these? We have
So,
solution, chemical kinetics, DNF block. Tell me.
So we have completed all the chapters.
You have completed all the chapters.
Yeah.
Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chapters are completed.
Sorry, sir. Like the chapter coming, like the chapters that are coming in the exam, we have finished like that portion.
Arey, which chapters? You have given 8 chapters here, guy. Solution, chemical kinetics.
1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Yes.
7.
Yeah. Solution, chemical
7.
kinetics, DNF block, coordination compounds, haloalkanes and haloarenes, alcohol, phenols and ethers, biomolecules.
All of these chapters are completed already?
Yes, yes.
So why are you telling me this right now? फिर हम आपको किसी also see you like so we have done haloalkane, halorine. I mean, if see, I don't know what to say actually. You are not having electrochemistry. These guys are having electrochemistry. Okay, so it would be like सब हर एक बच्चे के लिए अलग अलग बैच बनाना बहुत मुश्किल होगा ना. ठीक है, चलिए हम एक काम करते हैं फिर. I will have to ask each and every one of them. You have 2 chapters from organic chemistry. You have 2 chapters from inorganic chemistry. You have 3 chapters from organic chemistry. You have 2 chapters from inorganic chemistry, and you have 2 chapters from physical chemistry. and none of them are following any logic. Like after solutions, you have skipped electrochemistry, you have taken chemical kinetics, then you skipped, oh, what is there after chemical kinetics? Surface chemistry is there after. Okay, yeah. Then you did DNF block and coordination. These two are fine. Okay. Alkene, alcohol, fine. Then why do people come? I mean, why did they skip amines and this chapter aldehyde ketones carboxylic acid? Okay.
Actually finished aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acid in this school.
तो आपके स्कूल कब से
Chapter is
चालू
not
हुआ
here.
Zad, like when is your like आपके स्कूल में छुट्टी कब हुई थी?
So हमारी छुट्टी खत्म मतलब याद
Sorry,
so मुझे याद नहीं है. Let me see the circle please.
आपका स्कूल अभी स्टार्ट हुआ, कब स्टार्ट हुआ?
So 1 महीना हो गया अभी.
अच्छा, आपका स्कूल अगस्त में स्टार्ट हो गया था?
Yes, like
अच्छा,
ending.
अगस्त के एंड में?
हाँ kind of and like
यार,
20.
एंड का मतलब 20 तो 1 महीना कैसे हुआ? फिर तो 20 दिन हुए ना?
हाँ फिर 20 दिन.
अच्छा, और उससे पहले, छुट्टी से पहले कितने चैप्टर्स हुए थे आपके स्कूल में?
ये सारे चैप्टर छुट्टी से पहले हो गए थे लेकिन एल्डिहाइड कीटोन्स एंड कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड अभी अभी खत्म हुआ है इसलिए उसको इंक्लूड नहीं करा है.
नहीं, आई डोंट थिंक सो, क्योंकि आपने हैलोएल्कीन, हैलोरीन और ये सारे चैप्टर्स बता रहे थे आपकी आपके स्कूल में हो रहा है ना?
यस सर.
आपके स्कूल
सो
स्टार्ट कब
एक्चुअली
हुआ था?
ड्यूरिंग समर वेकेशंस हमारे ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चल रही थी तो उस वक्त भी खत्म हो गए थे.
तो आपकी छुट्टियां नहीं थी यानी ना, तो फिर छुट्टी क्यों बोल रहे हैं आप? छुट्टी नहीं थी आपकी?
Okay.
अच्छा, so you did not get even holidays. Okay. Rifat and Hanifa, you have sent me. Rifat, how? I mean, अच्छा ठीक है, हम हनीफा से ही पूछ रहे थे. हनीफा, आप लोग को और कौन कौन सा चैप्टर हो चुका है क्लास स्कूल में? इसके
We read the solutions, haloalkanes, the alcohols, and now we're doing electrochemistry.
Okay, fine. So all of the chapters are completed in here also, and इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री के अलावा सब कुछ हो चुका है. दैट मीन्स ये चैप्टर आपके इसमें भी नहीं आ रहा है, चैप्टर जैद के में भी नहीं आ रहा है. ओके, अब आप ISD में हैं, देन आई थिंक ISD हैव सम अदर स्टूडेंट्स आल्सो. ओके, fine. Like send the answers for these. Let me create some kind of form for you guys so that I will be able to. Okay, Hanif, I will look at yours. Okay, let me see your questions. I've prepared some of the form, but I get. Do you know which batch are you in, guys? Tell me. आपको पता है अपना batch?
MED.
MED, right? What about others? All of you know your batch?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Fine. I think the batch name it differs with subject also, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So here, first of all, we have 3-methyl butanol. I think you can check your answers. So we'll have bute. So 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms, and then we'll have CHO in the last one, or the first one rather. And this is first carbon atom, this is second carbon atom, this is third carbon atom. Third carbon atom is having the methyl group CH3. P-methyl benzaldehyde. So first of all, we'll make this part, that is benzaldehyde. So I can give the CHO here, and then P-methyl will be CH3 here. And 4-chloropent, and then we have 2 bonds. So first of all, we'll make 5 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Second one is having double bond O, and then we have 4-chloro. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is 4-chloro. So this will be Cl, pentane 2 on. This is a quite good here. PP, P, and then we have P dash or P prime, dihydroxybenzophenol. So here, if you first of all make the benzophenol, start with, you always start with the parent, okay? So you have made benzophenol like this, double bond O, right? Now it is P hydroxy. So we can see that there are 2 para, and because there are 2 benzene ring, we will have 2 para. This is also para, this is also para, and both of them are having OH groups. Got it? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes.
Yes.
What about other? Okay, got it, everyone. Okay, fine. I really don't like what to teach you now. आप लोग का ये भी नहीं आ रहा है, फिर आप लोग हाफ ईयरली कब हो? अच्छा ठीक है, हाफ ईयरली नहीं है ये आपका रिफत हनीफा, राइट? दिस अक्टूबर थिंग इज नॉट अ हाफ ईयरली.
No, sir.
No, sir, it's a PT test.
PT test and half yearly is going to happen like कब होगा फिर half yearly?
November.
November.
November. Okay. तो I think नवंबर तक तो आपका नहीं, आपके यहाँ तो सिर्फ 4 चैप्टर्स हुए हैं ना? Okay. I want to be inside the like heads of your teacher, like minds of your teacher. What are they thinking? Can they please share it with me so it will be easier for me to separate these batches? Tell me. I think Rifat, you're trying to say something.
So will you start electrochemistry anytime soon?
Electrochemistry.
Yeah.
अब ये है यहाँ पे ना कि like ज़्यादा का electrochemistry नहीं हो रहा है. So now it gets a bit difficult. What should I do? एक काम करते हैं. You know what? Let me take the test first. ठीक है? आज टेस्ट होना था हनीफा, रिफत एंड जैद.
Yes.
Yes.
आप उधर टेस्ट दीजिए और तब तक हम थोड़ा सोचते हैं कि क्या करना है ना? ठीक है, आप लोग पहले टेस्ट दे लीजिए. टेस्ट दे लीजिए, फिर हम उस टेस्ट पेपर को डिस्कस कर देते हैं. ठीक है? क्योंकि आप लोग का बैचेस ये करना पड़ेगा ना, राइट हनीफा? यू नो राइट, इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री आपके में आ रहा है, लेकिन जैद के में इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री नहीं है ना जैद आपके में?
No.
हाँ, इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री जैद के इसमें नहीं आ रहा. सो अगेन जैद विल फील लाइक हम क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं एज ऑफ नाउ, क्योंकि हाँ मतलब मेन एग्जाम में तो सब कुछ आ रहा है, लेकिन हनीफा आप भी अभी जो अक्टूबर वाला एग्जाम है उसके लिए थोड़ा परेशान रहिएगा. जैद भी अभी जो हाफ ईयरली एग्जाम है उसके लिए थोड़ा ज्यादा परेशान रहेंगे, है ना? तो एक काम करते हैं, टेस्ट दे लेते हैं हम लोग पहले, उसके बाद तक हम थोड़ा सोचते हैं कि क्या करना, कैसे करना. ओके सो you had a test on alcohol, phenols and ethers, right?
Yes.
Just let me change the date for it. 10 September. Everything is visible, right?
Yes.
Okay. Wait a second. Is it still visible or no?
Still
Yes.
visible.
It's visible?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Take care. Okay, guys, I think it's going to be more than 30 minutes. So start wrapping up and send the answers. Guy, okay, fine. You guys are sending the answers. Thank you, Hanifa. Thank you. Yes, that I received yours also. Rifat, just waiting for you now. Okay, sir. Rifat, what about you? Please send the answers, Rifat.
Yes, sir, I'm making the PDF.
Okay. Okay, so I will discuss the chapter right now. Okay, not the chapter, sorry, the test paper. Just a second. So, see, in the first question, you have been asked simply to make the structures. So 2-methyl propane 2-ol, it's quite easy. So prop is 1, 2, 3. And in the second, we have OH group. And in the second carbon only, I have a CS3 group. Okay, so this is 2-methyl propane 2-ol. Then we have 1-phenyl propane 2-ol. So propane, this is propane. And then in the second carbon atom, we are going to have OH group because you have OL. And then in the first carbon atom, I'm going to have a phenyl group attached. Okay, so this will be something like this. Got it? Yes or no, please tell me.
Yes.
Okay, so next is coal-based reaction and these are like pretty basic. So coal-based reaction is with phenol and CO2, right? So these are the main component. Phenol in the presence of NaOH, and it is going to give me what? Salicylic acid, right? So the details you can write. Okay, I mean there is no thinking here. This is just a reaction. You have to write it as it is. Remer is with chloroform, CSCl3. In the again presence of NaOH, it is going to give me salicylaldehyde, CHO. Okay, now this one, phenols are much more acidic than alcohol. I mean, you must have written it in some proper way, but the answer is going to be, what will be the answer? Due to stabilization of the phenoxide ion, right? As
Yes.
this phenoxide ion is more stable due to resonance. So
So
resonance
should
is
we draw the resonance structures?
no. In 1 marks, you don't have to draw the resonance structures.
Okay.
See, but again, if you have time, जितना आप लिखिएगा मतलब उतना ज्यादा सीबीएसई को पसंद आएगा, लेकिन 1 मार्क्स से ज्यादा वो आपको देंगे, है ना?
Yes.
So see, you have to like, what are the main crux word that you have? Like, if you don't include resonance, if you don't include like a resonance, या फिर mesomeric effect, not mesomeric effect, I think resonance and delocalization of charge. Yeah, if these two words are there, then it's fine. Delocalization of charge due to resonance. Or phenoxide ion is more stable due to resonance. Phenoxide ion is more stable due to delocalization of charge as it has resonance. So these type of wordings will be fine. Then boiling point of ethanol is higher in comparison to methoxymethane. So you'll write here there is no hydrogen bond, and ethanol has hydrogen bond. And here you can show the structure because it is going to be easy. So you can show that ROH will have some kind of hydrogen bond with HO, and then you'll write R, and then you'll show that there will be some kind of hydrogen bond here. Got it? Yes or no, tell me?
Yes.
Now, ethyl magnesium chloride. Okay, ethyl magnesium chloride to propanol. So we have ethyl magnesium chloride. So we have 2 carbon atoms, and then we have Mg, and then we have Cl. We have to make what? Propanol. 1 more carbon and OH. So what should be added here? Tell me.
So
What should be added?
formaldehyde.
One of the aldehydes. An aldehyde will
Yes.
be formaldehyde, right? So we'll add the formaldehyde. So the formaldehyde will attach on which carbon atom? 1 or 2? I mean the formaldehyde's carbon, it will attach to which carbon atom?
So one. I would say one. So I think one.
What
Because
about others? Tell me. Rifat and Hanifa, tell me, guys.
Sir, one.
The first carbon atom. This is delta negative. This is delta positive, no? Please turn the pages. Okay. So I think represent parts. Yeah. Attack कहाँ से हो रहा है? The carbon atom which is connected to Mg ना, वो carbon atom पे attack कर रहा है, right? Can all of you see that?
Yes.
ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे attack इस तरह से होगा. Okay, and then what is going to happen? This CH3, CH2, and then we have carbon, and then we have again oxygen is already there. That will be converted to COH. Got it?
yes.
So one thing is that you will identify first of all, this is what it is propanol. So whether it is 1 degree or 2 degree, this is 1 degree. That means it is going to have H formaldehyde. We have to add what? Formaldehyde if it is 1 degree. If it is 2 degree, then any other aldehyde. If it is 3 degree, then we have to add a ketone onto Grignard reagent. Now, ethyl chloride to ethanol. So ethyl chloride is Cl to ethanol is double bond O and H here, right? So first of all, see, we know that in between we have to make alcohols because we have seen alcohol both in the chapter of haloalkane, halorine, and we have seen alcohol in the, like we have seen this aldehyde in the chapter of alcohols also. So in between we'll make alcohol, OH, and then we'll oxidize it to aldehyde. So for this, we just need aqueous KOH, and to convert alcohol to aldehyde, PCC, oxidizing agent, right? Yes, then you're saying something?
Don't we use alcoholic KOH?
Alcoholic KOH तो alkene बनाने के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. Okay, so if you will have something like this and use alcoholic KOH, then it is going to give you CH2CH2 dehydrohalogenation. Elimination reaction will happen at alkoxide. Because here we have alcoholic KOH, it is going to be acting as a base, and the purpose of base is to abstract proton. The purpose of aqueous KOH, here we have nucleophile, its purpose is to attack on this carbon atom in the nucleus. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, then we have named the reagents and write the chemical equation for ethoxybenzene. Now we have, this is my ethoxybenzene, O, CH2, CH3, right? Now there are two components here. We have this component which is small, and we have here this part. Now, which of them should be coming from? The first one or the second one? We know that Williamson ether synthesis, it has RONA and some R dash halogen atom, right? Some haloalkane. Now, in ether, one of the component, like one of the alkyl groups, it's come from alkoxide ion, and the other component, it comes from the haloalkane. Now we have two components here, two alkyl groups on the either side of, we have Right. So what do we have here? We have two alkyl groups on the either side of oxygen atom. So which one is going to come from the haloalkane? Tell me, and which one is going to come from the alkoxide? The first one is going to come from.
So it will come from sorry, R dash X R dash. So because if it
What
will
about
come ONA, then there will be no reaction.
Hanifa and Rifat? What about you guys? Hanifa, I saw your answer. Actually, you have not written anything. What about you, Rifat? आप लोग अगर लिखे नहीं यानी कि आप लोग नहीं तैयारी नहीं है फिर आप लोगों की. Okay, fine. Rifat, you have done this one. That is fine. You did not get it? आप क्लास में नहीं थे जब हमने ये पढ़ाया था आपको? हनीफा? Hanifa, do you remember that we have learned the same things actually? Yes, tell me.
So I got confused.
You got confused. I mean, this is like the only thing in ethers. I have told you guys also. From the preparation of ethers, Williamson ether synthesis will come. And see. Same thing, na? What do we have here? I have given you ethoxybenzene. I have given you here methoxybenzene is there. For the formation of alkoxybenzene, haloarene and alkoxide cannot be used. Alkoxybenzenes are formed by reaction of phenoxide and haloalkane. Did you read these points, Hanifa, for the preparation of test? Yes, Hanifa. No. Uske baad dekhiye, I have done the same example here. And whatever question I have asked you in the test, all of them are from past papers of board examination. Okay. And I try to give all of those things in my class notes also. So you just have to read. I think then you did not read and you did not prepare. है ना? So if you, I can explain it to you now, but I'm not going to explain it to you now right now because you spend some time on this, Hanifa, because you have not spent some time, right, Hanifa? Yes, Hanifa. Did you learn this topic, Hanifa? Yes or no? No, na? I can't hear you. Can you please be थोड़ा loud होइए? ठीक है. तो इसमें शर्म की कोई बात नहीं है. आपने नहीं पढ़ा नहीं आता है. पढ़ने के बाद नहीं आता तो फिर मेरी जरूरत पड़ेगी आपको. आप एक बार इस पे टाइम बिताइए, ठीक है ना? You try to read the notes there and still if you have some doubts then आपको असल में डाउट आएगा. अभी तो आपने पढ़ा ही नहीं तो क्या डाउट है ना? आप इसको एक बार पढ़िए, ठीक है? हम यहाँ पे अभी एक्सप्लेन कर देंगे ना तो फिर आपको लगेगा कि हमको नहीं पढ़ना है, हमको आ गया, ठीक है? सो व्हाट आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग इज दैट यू रीड दोज नोट्स, ठीक है? आप लेक्चर को देखिए अगर आपने लेक्चर नहीं देखा है तो. इफ यू डोंट हैव दोज नोट्स, you read those notes and then come up if you have any doubts, and most probably you will not have the doubt because it is going to be quite simple और आपको समझ में आ जाएगा आसानी से, ठीक है? यहाँ पे नहीं लगा आपका लॉजिक बिकॉज आपने प्रिपेयर नहीं किया तो लाइंस आपने पढ़ी नहीं थी बस, ओके?
Yes.
उसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है. Then we have 2-methyl 2-methoxypropane. So we'll make the structure 2-methoxy 2-methyl. So 1 2 3 and here we have CS3 and here we'll have OCS3. I think this is the structure. 2-methoxy 2-methyl propane. Yeah. So we have first carbon atom, we have second carbon atom, we have third carbon atom, and here in the second carbon atom we have a CS3 group, and here also we have a methoxy group. Okay. So how are we going? So again, see, ये वाला भी सवाल बिल्कुल आपके एक तो हमने बोला भी था कि मतलब विलियमसन ईथर सिंथेसिस से जो सवाल आते हैं वो कुछ ही सवाल है और ये भी आपके पास पेपर में आया था, इसलिए भी हमने कराया हुआ आप लोगों को, राइट? सो दिस कैन बी प्रिपेयर्ड बाय ONA plus CS3Br or CS3I or CS3Cl, any of those things. Okay. Because if we don't use this and if we are going to use something of this kind, let us say we have Br here and we have CS3ONA, then this is going to give me alkene. And I have done this reaction also. Okay. So the only thing that was required is that you read these parts, you read these questions. Now, I have discussed this. I have not चेक्ड ऑल योर पेपर्स, ठीक है, बस हमने एक बार इसको एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है, आप लोगों को अब पता चल गया होगा कि क्या पढ़ना है, ठीक है ना। अब उसके बाद आपके पास कुछ और डाउट्स होगा तो फिर आप लोग हमें बताइएगा। नाउ आई वांट समथिंग फ्रॉम यू गाइस आल्सो। Zad, do you attend any other classes here? Physics आप attend करते हैं, physics maths?
Yes.
When is your physics? Physics की कब होती है classes आपकी?
So it's on Tuesday and Wednesday.
Zad आप ठीक से बताइए, गलत बता रहे हैं आप।
So let me recheck.
हाँ, पता नहीं, आप नहीं अटेंड करते हैं फिजिक्स की क्लासेस भी, केमिस्ट्री तो आप बहुत कम अटेंड करते हैं।
Sir, I attend all the classes.
You attend all the classes?
Yes.
अच्छा अच्छा, रिफत आप बताइए।
The physics I have on Tuesday and Thursday.
Tuesday and Thursday. And what time?
6:30.
6:30 to 8:30.
Yes.
Okay, हनीफा तो चली गई। Okay, what else?
Maths Saturday and Sunday.
Okay, math. Okay, I don't need to know the subject, at least I just need to know the dates. Saturday, Sunday at
6:30.
6:30. Okay. So Zad, you attend the same classes
Yes.
as Hanifa? Okay. Sorry, as Rifat. Any other class?
So biology.
Biology when?
Yeah. Today only. Today is Saturday and Sunday. Like Saturday.
आपका मैथ है या बायोलॉजी है Zad? दोनों है?
Sorry, again mistake. One second. That is.
Hanifa, what about you?
I don't have any class today. But
No,
tomorrow,
not
I
today.
think.
No. Do you attend any other subject here, like physics or maths? Or
Yeah,
bio? Which subject and when?
physics and biology.
Physics when?
Tomorrow I have biology. Physics, it's Tuesdays and Thursdays.
Tuesday and Thursday, 6:30?
From 4 to 6.
4 to 6. And biology you have only on, you will have 2 days ना, एक दिन तो नहीं होता होगा।
Yeah. Yeah,
Saturday,
Monday
Sunday?
and Wednesday. No, Monday and Wednesday.
Monday and Wednesday. Tomorrow is Sunday, by the way. Okay, what time?
4 to 6.
4 to 6.
So bio and physics Tuesday and Wednesday.
नहीं ज़्यादा ट्यूसडे कौन लेता है आपकी बायो फिजिक्स की क्लास?
So Rahul teacher, Rahul sir, sorry. Rahul sir and physics Amna ma'am.
ठीक है, तो आपको बायो कब होता है बताइए?
Bio Tuesday and Wednesday. Same for physics. It's from 6 p.m. to 7:30.
6 to 7:30 क्या होता है आपका? बायो होता है?
Biology. Yeah, bio.
उसके बाद?
Then 7:30 to 9. Sorry, 7:30 to 9 physics.
फिजिक्स। आई एम नॉट श्योर, लाइक आप अपडेट्स हमको लगता है सही नहीं बता रहे हैं। मतलब ये आप बोल रहे हैं कब कब होता है? ट्यूसडे वेंसडे, हाँ ट्यूसडे वेंसडे।
Yes.
ट्यूसडे थर्सडे नहीं होता आपका?
No.
आप like you stay in where, like I think Dubai, right, or somewhere else?
Yes, I do.
Dubai na? No, I don't think so. You must be having it on Tuesday, Thursday. Okay. खैर, यानी कि खैर leave all of that. I'm not taking physics. I just needed to see. So all of you guys are free on Monday, Wednesday.
So Monday and Wednesday I have bio.
अरे तो आपका क्या क्या होता है? मंडे वेंसडे बायो होता है, ठीक है। मंडे वेंसडे बायो कितने से?
4 to 6.
4 to 6, ठीक है, चलिए फिर भी ठीक है। सो मंडे एंड वेंसडे all of you are free after 6. सही है?
Yes.
ठीक है, 6 PM हम जब बोल रहे हैं तो दिस इज केस टाइम।